Difference between fat burners and fat metabolizers. There is a big difference. So firstly, I'll be talking about what fat burners actually do. So fat burners increase your metabolic rate. And when I say this, it basically means it increases how much calories you burn throughout the day and throughout exercise. So it increases your metabolic rate, and it will obviously, your calorie input will either stay the same or it will go down. And when I say this, you will obviously be in a calorie deficit, which means that results to weight loss. So that's what fat burners do. It increases your metabolic rate, and then obviously your calorie input will either stay the same or go down. So that will result in you being in a calorie deficit, which means you will lose weight. So that's what fat burners do. But the one problem with fat burners is that I'll give you an analogy. So if I set the shop on fire, it won't just burn all the BCAAs and all the protein powders in here. It would also burn the whole building down. So basically, it's the same thing when you take fat burners. It doesn't just go off the body fat to burn. It goes after everything. It goes after, obviously, body fat. It goes after muscle tissue. It goes after glycogen. It goes after carbohydrates. It literally burns everything. So that's what fat burners do. Now, when it comes to fat metabolizers is slightly different. When you take fat metabolizers, it's based upon an amino acid, so L-carnitine or L-cytocarnitine. So it transports body fat into the muscle cells. So going back to my analogy, when I said basically if you set the whole shop on fire, it will burn everything in here, even the protein powders and everything. But when you take fat metabolizers alongside a fat burner, it basically tells the fat burner, here, take this body fat, just burn this body fat. Don't burn the muscle tissue, the glycogen, just burn the body fat. So that's what fat metabolizers do. It tells your body to burn just the body fat rather than the muscle tissue and everything else. So that's why when I say taking them alongside each other, in conjunction alongside each other, it is the best way to get results.